The best and easiest way to get relief from tinnitus depends on the individual and the severity of their symptoms. Here are some tips that may help. Use sound therapy. White noise, nature sounds, or music can help mask the ringing or buzzing sounds of tinnitus. You can use a sound machine, a smartphone app, or listen to music through headphones to help you relax and sleep better. Avoid loud noises. Exposure to loud noises can worsen tinnitus symptoms. Use earplugs or earmuffs when exposed to loud noises such as concerts, construction sites, or noisy equipment. Manage stress. Stress can aggravate tinnitus symptoms, so it's important to find ways to manage stress such as relaxation techniques. Exercise, or meditation. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can make tinnitus symptoms worse in some people, so it's important to limit consumption. Get enough sleep. Tinnitus can disrupt sleep, so it's important to establish a regular sleep routine and avoid stimulating activities before bedtime. Seek professional help. If your tinnitus symptoms are severe or are affecting your quality of life, it's important to seek professional help. An audiologist or an ear, nose, and throat doctor can help diagnose the cause of your tinnitus and recommend treatment options. It's important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution for tinnitus, and what works for one person may not work for another. It may take some trial and error to find the best and easiest way to get relief from tinnitus.